Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you my new purchase, an Afghan pressure pot. And in it, I'm going to cook an amazing chicken soup. It's a very simple dish, quick and easy to make, but that doesn't make it any less delicious. The ingredients are very basic: potatoes, chicken, carrots, and your favorite spices. Also onion and a bay leaf. We start by peeling the potatoes. After the potatoes, we peel the carrots and wash the vegetables. I choose the potatoes specifically not too small and not too large, so that during cooking in the Afghan pot, they don't overcook and turn into mash. We slice the carrots into rings. A few words about the cooking principle in the Afghan pot. It works like a pressure cooker. The soup cooks under high pressure, which reduces the cooking time and gives the food a special taste. The taste is different from cooking in a regular pot. We add one onion, we clean out the mess as we go. I'll take a whole small chicken. It's not big, so for one batch of soup it will be more than enough. Before cutting the chicken, it needs to be singed, meaning you remove any remaining feathers. This process is simple and doesn't take much time. We take a gas torch and carefully go over the whole surface of the chicken, removing any leftover feathers. A small note and a big request to you guys. Statistics shows that 77.6% of viewers watch my video without subscribing. Friends, please subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it gives me motivation to keep creating. Thanks in advance. After the chicken is singed and has no feathers left, we cut it into pieces. We split it in half and separated wings, legs, breast, everything into parts. If there are any innards, we simply remove them. Once the chicken pieces are ready, we open our pot and start layering the ingredients. The chicken goes on the bottom. We place it neatly, covering the entire bottom. Next, we add potatoes and carrots. Don't forget your favorite spices. Salt and pepper is a must, and the rest is to taste. Also, don't forget the bay leaf. We add a mix of spices, khmeli-suneli. We pour in about 1 liter of water. That should be enough, because the vegetables and the chicken will also release their own juices. After that, we screw the lid on, check the valves, and put it onto the heat. The heat can be medium or slightly above medium. We wait for a bit until air starts coming out of the valves and the pot begins to make its working sounds. After that, we turn the heat down low, less intense, and let it cook for about 45-55 minutes. When the time is up, we need to release the pressure because a lot of pressure builds up inside and opening it right away is very dangerous. That's exactly why we have 2 valves to release excess pressure. The steam isn't hot anymore. You can hold your hands over it. After about 10 minutes, the pressure is released and we we can safely take it and open the lid. Finally, it's time to open it. The smell is absolutely incredible. The meat is cooked, the potatoes are cooked. Just an amazing, simple chicken soup. Nothing complicated. A simple but truly wonderful soup is ready. Enjoy. We close the pot, bring it into the house, pour it into bowls, and enjoy. Friends, I want to remind you about subscribing and see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.